Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh Prabhavalkar and as the head of Sherkhan Classroom, I have designed lots of online training programs for our customers. Today I am here to talk to you on various features of Sherkhan's Trade Tiger charting. So let's move on. To start off with, let's look at how do we open a chart for a particular security first of all. So you can do that either by double click on the stock for which you want to have a chart, or you can go to the chart section and selecting a new chart. So let us double click on Bajaj Auto and this is how the chart look. Now in case you want to get this chart for the entire screen, you can just press the Z button on your keyboard, or you can also click on the Z icon at the right hand side bottom of the chart. In order to zoom in or zoom out of the chart, you can use the mouse scroll or the plus and minus button of your keyboard. Now in case you want to see a chart for a different time frame, how do you change the time frames of a chart? So just let's take the chart for the entire screen. You can click on this right hand side box here at the right hand side bottom of the chart, or you can simply press Ctrl and I button when the chart is selected. You can select a time frame and that is all. You have a chart for daily time frame for Bajaj Auto. In case you want to see a chart from a different chart type like a line chart or a bar chart, you can always do that by right clicking on the chart, go to the chart types option and then selecting the option of your preference. You can also do that conveniently by using some shortcuts, like if you want to have a bar chart, you can say B on the keyboard, or in case you want to have a line chart, you can just type L on the keyboard. Tools can be very important for us as traders, and in case you want to add them on Trade Tiger, here is how you do it. At the top bar of the chart, you can click on this icon and add various tools, or you can also right click on the chart and go to the tools option in order to add one of them. You can also use some shortcuts, like if I want to put a horizontal line on the chart for a support area, I can Ctrl H on the keyboard and get a horizontal line which I am placing near this area of support. In case I want to take out all these tools, I can simply press Ctrl and delete on my keyboard, say yes, and all the tools will be deleted. You can also delete all the tools by right clicking on the chart and clicking on remove all tools option. As a trader, if you are using some technical studies on your chart, you can always add them on Trade Tiger charts. You can right click, go to the study option and click on add study. You can also do that by just simply pressing S on your keyboard. Once you do that, you get a box to add various studies. You can select the study of your choice and click on apply. Now, in case you want to change any of the parameters for this particular study, or you want to take the study out of the chart, you can just take your mouse, hover near the study where it's added, double click in order to change the parameters, or just click on this cross icon in order to take that study out. The next charting feature of Trade Tiger, friends, is chart linking for some enhanced level of analysis. This allows you to link both the charts as per your preference. Now let's do it. Let us first open a different chart for, let us say, Bajaj Auto. I will select Bajaj Auto, double click on it after pressing the Ctrl button. It opens a different chart. Now, one chart I want a daily time frame and the other chart is some intraday time frame. When I right click, go to the linking option and I link it with the script. Let's see what happens. If I now want to open Asian Paints, I double click, and what happens is one chart gives me a daily time frame which I've selected earlier, and the other one gives me the intraday. This can be used for our technical analysis purpose very frequently. Now the chart book feature is one of the most efficient and unique feature which Trade Tiger provides us, friends. This allows us to actually flip charts like we flip the pages of a particular book. How do you see that? Just get the chart for the entire screen and you click on the option on the top of the chart which is chart book. Now either you can do that for last viewed 10 charts, or you can also do that for a predefined market watch. Now let's look at the last view of 10 charts. When I click on this, it will give me a previous and the next button for all the charts which we viewed in our current session on Trade Tiger. If I say previous, it gives me Bajaj Auto. If I click on this, the chart will be changed. If I click on previous, it gives me Axis Bank. I click on it and it gives me Axis Bank. This is how it saves a lot of time for me as a trader. What if as a trader, I want to trade directly from the charts while I'm doing some analysis? That's definitely possible with Trade Tiger. We have the 3 line tools available on the top bar of Trade Tiger charts, which is for entry, stop loss and target. Let me just show you a small demo for it. If I select entry and I want to buy this particular stock when it goes above this resistance with a stop loss below this support and target somewhere on the higher side here. If I want to place the order directly from here itself, I can double click on the entry bar, select the quantity, select the price, place the order and just confirm it, and your order is placed. As a trader, if you are interested in opening a chart in the exact same manner as per your preference, you can always save a template regarding it. You can right click, go to chart and click on Save Chart Template. I'll give it a name and say save. Anytime I open a chart, I can right click, go to chart and then load a chart template, load whichever I've saved, and the chart will be opened in the exact same template and your preference which you have saved earlier. By now friends, we have looked at quite a few features of Trade Tiger. Let's look at the settings section so that we can customize some of them as per our preference. You can do that by opening a chart and visiting the top bar, clicking on the settings option here. Else, you can visit the settings option and click on graph settings. Firstly, we have general settings, which is basically regarding the look and feel of Trade Tiger, the foreground color, the background color, etc. You can change it as per your preference. The chart data, you can sync the chart data as per market hours. You can do that from chart data settings. The chart toolbar is the bar which you see on the top side of any chart. You can even customize that. You can select the tools which you want to have on that particular bar, or you can rearrange any of the tools which are there at present. And various tools also can be customized from the setting options here. So if I want to customize a horizontal line, I can even give a particular color to it. I can decide the thickness and etc. In the exact same fashion, the other line tools like tick average line or maybe the day separator or the mouse pointer can be changed by looking at this settings app as per our preference. That is all friends regarding various charting features of Trade Tiger. You might be having some other doubts regarding other aspects of Trade Tiger, and don't worry, we have lots of other video tutorials. You can go ahead and check them. Thank you so much.